Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I always post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So today's card day, we are making a masculine card today. You know, I very rarely do masculine cards because I just feel like I'm not that good at it. But this bundle is going to make it so easy because I whipped out these cards like super quick. I'm going to actually do this one in the middle because it's Father's Day and Father's Day is coming up. So, I mean, this one's Father's Day too, but this is a new in colors and I really wanted to use this. This is the Starry Sky new in color. And this one's Cajun Craze, and this one is Soft Succulent. But this one I made into an anniversary card because I needed one. But this one here, and they're all the same style. I don't even know what you call this style, but I've made these before, but a little bit different. But anyway, it has a flap. This one says, "Hello, handsome." I'm going to show you the bundle because there's so much in it that you can use for masculine cards. And the designer series paper that goes with this is perfect for this. And there is an easy way to make a card super quick, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this says, "Hello, handsome." I put number 1 right there. In fact, my husband saw this. He picked it up and he said, "Oh, thank you. You made me a card." But I thought it was pretty funny. But and then you open it, it says, "Wishing you a happy Father's Day." So it just flaps like that. So I really like this card. It's really easy and it's so fun to do. And so you can see I got carried away. This one is the one I made for anniversary. It says "Together for the Long Haul," and it has this little minivan on there. And I did color it with my blends and use the designer series paper that I was telling you about on that. And this one also is from the designer series paper. And this one I put like a little flags on the end there. And then this just opens and this says, "Happy Anniversary, my love." And that's from a different stamp set. But I think it's Happy and Heartfelt is this one. And I think it's in our mini catalog. So that is what I used for that one because it is an anniversary card. But I thought it was so cute to make that one. And then this is the one I'm going to share today. Really easy one too. It just says, "Wishing you a happy Father's Day." And then I put "To the man who does everything." I love that too. That's so cute. Super easy. But I am using our in color designer series paper, the 6x6 for this one. So everything will be in the inspiration sheet. For if you're new, I always put inspiration sheets on my blog with all the measurements and the supplies that I use. All right, let's get started with this. So this is the bundle, calls He's All That. And then it has the dies, which I pulled out a bunch of dies already for this. But there are a lot of dies in this. And I pulled out 3 other ones that go in this one here, and that we're going to use today. But if you get the bundle, you save 10%. I always talk about that because if you're new, I know you don't know all the details. So this is the one. But look at all the little sentiments. Look, I wanted to use this so bad. It said, "Happy birthday to a classic." And I mean, I could have made a card like this with every single one of these. They're so cute. This one says, "Holy smokes, you're amazing." This one says, "Every day with you is another adventure." I love that. It's a great one for Father's Day as well. But oh, this is one of the best that I think we've ever had. And that's saying a lot because we've had some good ones, but this one is my favorite. All right, so what you're going to need for this, you are going to need one piece that is 5.5 by 7.5. This is the Starry Sky, a new in color. Then for the inside, you need a piece that's 4 by 5.25, and then this one is for the outside flap, and it's 4.25 by 2.5. To mat it, you are going to need one piece that is 2.75 by 5.25, and then one piece that is 3.5 by 2.25. And then, of course, you need papers for stamping, and I'm using the thick basic white because I love it. And I use it for everything. I always talk about using this for boxes, and it's great for that. But I always end up using it for all my card making because I like it so much more. So this is the 22-24 in color. This designer series paper, you see I've used it a ton already. But I haven't used the Starry Sky, so I really wanted to use that. I am using some vellum as well on this card. All right, let's get going on this. Let's go ahead and stamp, and then we can run everything through the cut and emboss, and we will be ready to put the card together. So what I'm going to just do for this one is just stamp the Happy Father's Day using the Starry Sky. I love making monochromatic cards. I don't know what it is. I even do that on my boxes and bags sometimes. I really just like that look. So isn't that a nice sentiment? I really like the writing. I always like the cursive with the regular writing on that. And then we'll just bring this back when we stamp the inside of the card. I'm going to use on this, let me cut this smaller so we can run that through. And we'll run our vellum piece through at the same time. And our little piece I need for the little flags. How am I going to do this one Whisper White? So, or not Whisper White. Whisper White is our old white color. This is basic white. I'm still saying Whisper White. So I'm going to make the flags in the basic white. Our Happy Father's Day is going to go there. I'm going to use this to put on here. And then this one's going to be for the vellum. These all come in this bundle. All right, so let's run these through. And this is all we need to run through the cut and emboss. So really easy. And I love how this cuts out two instead of one long one, because you can use one or two and you can use it as like the little tails on the card that I made. You can use it any way you want instead of having to cut it in half. So here is our little vellum piece. I love this piece because it has a little ridge on the end. It's really pretty. And here's our two tags and our sentiment. All right, I'm going to just set this aside here. And that is everything for the front of our card. So let's get making the card. First thing we're going to do is score it. So on this piece, we are going to score on the 7.5 inch side, and you're going to score it at 4 1/4. And then our little piece, this is the 4 1/4 by 2 1/2. You're going to score it just at 1/2 inch. And then we're ready. Really easy card, y'all, to put together. And it's really a nice one for Father's Day. Or any occasion, actually. And that is going to fold like that. This one folds back. Now we're going to take our inside piece, and what you're going to do is you are going to just put adhesive on this little flap right here. And you are going to lay it on here. I usually lay it just down so it lays kind of flat. You can put this anywhere you want. You can put it all the way down, you can put it all the way up, you can put it right in the middle. I just like this position for some reason. And then we're going to just add this to our inside of our card. Like this. And this is the basic card, y'all. It's so easy. We're going to decorate it. So this is our flap right here, and then this goes like that. So let's grab our designer series paper. Should we change it? No, I like this one. I like that plaid for a man's card. And I am probably going to use this card, so I didn't show my husband this one. He just saw the other one, so. And you can make this bigger. I like this smaller because I wanted to see the starry sky behind it. So, but I like the size of this. And then this one's just going to go on here like that. And it goes together so easy and quick. That's why I made a bunch of them. I'm probably going to use this a lot more because I love this Funfold. All right, so we are going to grab our pieces. Let's stamp the inside before we go any further. So I'm going to use the same sentiment. I like this. To the man who does everything. I am very fortunate in that. And you want to stamp this towards the left or underneath this flat part, so that you can write your sentiment and stuff. All right. My husband, he cooks every night. And that's one thing. I love baking. I'm a baker and I'll bake my heart away. But cooking is not my thing. All right, so we are going to put this, we're going to first put these on. So I'm going to just use, and I'm just going to center these here. And I'm going to line them up the same, like both ends. I'm just going to use the stripes as a guide. Get that one off a little bit. Just like that. And then we're going to use some dimensionals on the back of this. And we are going to put this on here. I really like that vellum on there. And then we're just going to add our adhesive to the back here. Make sure I get enough on there. And then this is just going to go on here. Like that. Super, super simple, y'all. The other ones are just as easy too. So just as happy Father's Day to the man who does everything. And here's the other ones that I did. So this one I just used, this is another rectangle that comes with that. I used the number 1 and made a little banner there. And then this one just has this, the part I used for the vellum. I just cut that on here and I used a 1 3/4 inch circle punch and punched that one out. So aren't they fun? So that's all of them, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is my May hostess code. And if you order with me, I'd appreciate you using the hostess code. It assures me credit, and then I put you in a drawing for hostess dollars at the end of the month. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.